When temperatures hit 100 degrees, your air conditioner or heat exchanger works twice as hard, surging your power bill or completely gutting your off-grid battery bank. But what if a simple $15 misting ring could drop your unit's intake air temperature by 25 degrees instantly, cutting power draw without buying a bigger solar setup? Stick around to the end, because I'm showing a regional US climate map to reveal if your state has the right humidity level for this $15 hack to actually work. Here's the science behind why this works. When water transitions from a liquid to a mist fine enough to flash evaporate, it pulls heat directly out. This process is called latent heat of vaporization. By pre-cooling the air before it ever touches your condenser, your compressor doesn't have to work nearly as hard. That means lower head pressure, lower amp draw, and maximum efficiency out of every watt. But here is the critical mistake that ruins 90% of these builds. Using untreated tap water, hard water minerals will instantly coat your fins and scale, insulating the metal and destroying efficiency. You must use a cheap inline sediment filter or collection water. Now let's check the US climate zone map. If you're in the green zone across the west or southwest, dry air means this hack gives you massive 25-degree drops. In the Midwest yellow zone, it still offers solid efficiency gains. But if you're in the deep red humidity of the Gulf, evaporation drops off fast. Drop your state and current humidity in the comments below. And if you want to see full physical builds from the creators, check the links in the description box.